Hello, welcome to Bentley's Backwoods Bushcraft. This is Richard, and I am once again off on a walk. The patio's changed a little bit. Let me see here. I've got my potatoes. Look how wonderful those things are looking. Potatoes here, here, and there, and those will be ready to harvest in a handful of days, actually. Here is my worm bin, and no matter how much I disturb it, these potatoes just grow. Look at that. That's from my potato, or my worm bin. Oh, that worm got up there and died. Oh, there's another one. Huh. There's another one. Holy shit. How's that happening? Anyway, I got a container of dirt here that I am going to extract clay from here soon, maybe tonight, and I'm going to use it. I'm not going to get it into powder form. I'm actually going to make some stuff. The table that was sitting over here is gone. I'm going to put a little bit of water in my dirt here, and then we're off on our little trek. I am carrying with me today my slingshot and my lead ball ammo, along with some water. So I don't know, target practice maybe. Let's see where. Oh, here they are. So I found some Carolina rose. Here's a little rose. These are rose bushes, adorable little flowers. These are actually roses. They're called California roses. Those are really nice. There's I don't know what I said. They're called Carolina roses. I don't know. Did I say California? I don't remember, but they're called Carolina roses. Here's milkweed. I like seeing the milkweed with the bulbs and stuff up on top. And these little buggers love this milkweed. These little, oh, where'd you go? Oh, it flew away. Little beetle things. But the milkweed is pretty cool at this stage. Look at the clover. Red clover. Leaves are pretty awesome. Let's see, there was one other thing. What did I find? I found some daisy, some fleabane daisy down here as well. Is that a little baby rabbit, or is that a bird? Oh, Lord, no, that's a baby rabbit. Look at the size of that. Oh, you can't really tell. That thing is tinky. That one can't be very old at all. That one is really small. Dude, that was really small. So the fleabane is right over here. There it is. Fleabane daisy. Right here. These are kind of cool. Part of the aster family. And here's some creeping thistle. Little purple flowers. Creeping thistle. I've got some of these that I took into the house a couple nights ago, and I encased it into resin so that it would stay purple, because when they dry out, they turn into this brown fuzz. And I was kind of hoping to be able to keep some purple. So no, here's a good example of it turning into fuzz. So I took two of them and encased them into resin, some resin I got from the Dollar Tree. And I did do a video. One of Michelle's subscribers actually asked me to do a video on the resin when I used it, so which I would have done anyway, but made sure I did that. But also I've got some wood sealant that my mom had purchased to do her deck, and I sealed her deck with this wood sealant. And I've used it on things before to get a clear. I've done it with pine cones, pine needles, and it keeps them pretty fresh. And so I went ahead last night and did 3 of the purple flowers from the creeping thistle, and it looks like it worked. They stayed purple, so that's pretty awesome. The ones that I encased in resin faded a little bit, but they should stay that way, like permanently. Now it's been about 2 days now since I did that resin. It took a day for it to harden up enough to where I felt comfortable removing it from the cup that I had it in. And right now it's about 2 days, and it's still a little sticky. I don't know how long it's going to take for the stickiness to go away, but it's a little sticky still, and it's been like 2 days. So I don't know, but there will be a complete video on me using that Dollar Tree resin that I got. So it was exciting. Now I used half of, you got to have an A and a B, so there's 2 bottles that you had to purchase, and I used about half of each of the bottles to do the mold for the thistle. I didn't want it to be as thick as it is, but I was having difficulty finding something to encase it in. I'd have much rather it to be, you know, kind of like a round coin type thing, and it turned out more, well, I used one of those ketchup containers you get at you get in like Wendy's and whatever, the plastic ones that you put ketchup in. So I used one of those little dinky containers, little cups. Didn't fill it up all the way, of course, but it is thicker than I wanted it to be. Coming up to a crossroads. There's a little crawdad down there. Oh, there's some. I don't know if you can see those minnows, but there's some. Oh, they're swimming pretty good. Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to. I don't think I'll be able to focus in on them. A little bit of minnows, some crawdads. I have not seen any like catchable size fish this season. Usually there's at least, you know, a good sized amount of bluegills that you can actually catch off of hooks. Oh, there was something skittered through there, but I haven't really found that this year. And where is the limb? Okay, yeah. And then that one video I had of the hawk that I saw. Was there on that limb right there of that really cool hawk. That's been a while. That's been a few weeks. All right, so let's head back and continue. This little spot here, right here, is a little area I like to come to. Kind of like a little. It's a let's say it's a sacred meeting place for me and my friends. Let's see if you can hear those birds. If you can hear it above the airplane. Another crossroads. Nature's path is full of crossroads. Saw a little chipmunk running around in there a second ago. Lightning bug. Not common. Not as common as they used to be when I was a kid. I can remember when I was just a young warthog. Lightning bugs were so prominent in my area that you could not walk outside without just getting pelted by them. I mean, they were a lot of them. Unfortunately, with all of the man-made lights and the unnatural lights that exist now, they find it difficult to find each other to mate because of the light issue, and there just aren't as many as there used to be. I really miss lightning bugs. I mean, like, you could go out into a field, and I mean, it would be like, it was like fireworks of lights. I mean, there just wasn't anywhere that you couldn't find lightning bugs. But that's not the way it is anymore. Here we go. Some more really cool looking flowers. These purple ones, I like the purple. Well, maybe you might consider those pink. I consider a lot of things purple that people consider other colors. Now, I could go as far to say that might be some sort of pink, but